Hello, friends. Welcome to Happy English Words. Today, let's practice easy English conversations.
Day 1. Greetings. Let's practice saying hello.
Hi, my name is Leo. What's your name?
Hi, Leo. My name is Mia.
Nice to meet you, Mia.
Nice to meet you too.
Hi, Sam. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Great. See you later. Hello, Mia. Hi, Leo. It's nice to see you. It's nice to see you too. Goodbye, Mia. Goodbye, Leo. See you later. See you later. Hi, I'm Leo. Hi, I'm Ben. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
How old are you?
I am 6 years old. How old are you?
I am 6 years old too.
What is your name?
My name is Leo. What is your name?
What is your name? My name is Mia.
Good morning, Mia.
Good morning, Leo.
Are you ready for school?
Yes, I am ready.
Good night, Mia.
Good night, Leo. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Are you ready?
Yes, let's go!
Day 2. School conversations. Let's practice together.
Where are we? We are in the classroom. Do you like school? Yes, I do.
Open your book, please.
Okay.
Good job, Rayo.
Thank you.
Do you know the answer?
Yes, I do.
Raise your hand.
I raise my hand!
What are you doing? I am reading a book. Is it fun? Yes, it is fun.
Please listen, okay?
I am listening.
Thank you, Rayo.
You're welcome. What do you use? I use a pencil. What do you write? I write my name. Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry.
Let's eat lunch.
Good idea. Do you want to play? Yes, let's play. Can I have the ball? Yes, here you are.
Is school finished? Yes, school is finished. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Day 3. Daily routine conversations. Let's practice everyday English.
Are you awake? Yes, I am awake. Good morning. Good morning. Do you brush your teeth? Yes, I do. Good job. Thank you. What do you do next? I wash my face. Are you clean? Yes, I am clean. Are you ready? Not yet. What do you do? I get dressed. Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. Let's eat breakfast. Good idea. Where are you going? I am going to school. Me too. Me too. Let's go. What are you doing? I am doing homework. Do you need help? Yes, please.
Do you want to play? Yes, let's play! Can you kick the ball? Yes, I can!
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Dinner is ready.
Thank you! Are you sleepy? Yes, I am sleepy. Good night, Rio. Good night, Mia.
Day 4. Food conversations. Let's practice talking about food.
What do you eat for breakfast? I eat bread and eggs. Do you drink milk? Yes, I do.
Do you drink milk? Yes, I drink milk. Is it good? Yes, it is good. Are you thirsty? Yes, I am thirsty. Here is some water. Thank you. Do you like apples? Yes, I do. Do you want one? Yes, please.
What is this? It is a banana. Is it sweet? Yes, it is sweet. It is sweet. What do you eat for lunch? I eat rice and chicken. Is it yummy? Yes, it is yummy.
Do you want a snack? Yes, please. Here you are. Thank you.
Do you eat dinner?
Yes, I eat dinner.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Here is your food.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It looks yummy.
Day 5. Feelings conversations. Let's practice saying how we feel.
How do you feel? I am happy. Wow! Why are you happy? I like this park.
Are you sad? Yes, I am sad. It's okay. Thank you, Mia.
Are you tired? Yes, I am tired. Do you need rest? Yes, I do.
Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. Let's eat. Good idea. Are you thirsty? Yes, I am thirsty. Do you want water? Yes, please. Are you excited? Yes, I am excited.
Is it a party?
Yes, it is. Are you scared? A little. It's okay. Thank you.
Are you sleepy?
Yes, I am sleepy.
It's time for bed.
Good night.
Do you feel better? Yes, I feel better. That's good. Thank you.
Great job. You finished day 1 to day 5. Subscribe to Happy English Words for more easy English videos. See you next time.